We're looking for the beast. These horrific monsters that keep killing everybody. We have to be extra quiet because I don't know where they are. I heard them earlier, but I just don't know. I hope my friends are okay. They left me. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can see them. I just saw one. I think it's coming for me. This is where the beast lives. I think it's nearby. I think I escaped it. I don't see anything. Don't see anything. Let's get a closer look. I can't get in. Oh my god. I think it's looking at us. It's looking over here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.